Well, hello. Today I was part of Cinelogue. Woohoo! I'm wore out, tired, and uh, yeah. 2026 Cinelogue. I bought it at Cinelogue tonight, and boy, I've had fun. I got about 5 hours over there, a little over. Uh, there's a lot of people there, and I mean lots of people. I survived it though. Uh, Anyway, today is Saturday, January 17th at about 9:39. It is my 6 months here. Woohoo! Uh, and I have had a very good day, and I found something that'll be very useful for writing at night. So I don't have to have my visor down to keep my eyes from getting stuff in them. I can wear these, and this will keep the dust out of them and bugs while I'm tooling along at night. Of course, I'm not going to be doing a lot of night riding, but I can see this as worth 100 pesos. Yeah, I didn't find the good price. I found a decent price. And for that, I'm happy. Oh, yeah. It's one of the ink ones, and he did it kind of over my my other one, my little dagger. And actually did pretty good. Probably would have been better if I hadn't have put this shirt on and made a mess of my shirt in the process. I'm hoping this does wash out. We'll see. All I know is I've had way too much fun. I am exhausted, and yeah, I'm gonna try to go for a procession in the morning, and so I need to get done here because it's 10. If I'm going to get up at 4 and be out the door by 4:30, I need to get cleaned up now and sleep and set an alarm. I ain't guaranteeing how well I'm going to respond to alarm in the morning, but I'm going to try. Oy. Uh, yeah, I'm winded, tired, exhausted, excited, energized. Yeah, I know. Exhausted and energized all in the same moment. But that's okay. Uh, anyway, uh, somebody flew in here the other day. I hope they're getting to enjoy Cinelogue too. Uh, and not just totally, the first week I was here, I was quite honestly, I had been so go, 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 go for so long that my first week here was really just a recovery period. I did a little bit, but not really much. Time change and all that fun stuff. And then going from nights to days, you'd think that there wouldn't be much of a night. I go from nights over there while it's day here, just start being awake during the day, and I'd be at the same hours, but I'm on a different side of the planet. And yeah, that was a fun one. So I hope he's at least able to get out and enjoy some of Cinelogue. Uh, all I know is I had a blast. I'm tired. Uh, still wanting to get my blue motorcycle, my blue scooter, the little Honda Click 125 uh, 2026 version. I'm waiting on it patiently. Nobody's in the hospital, so I haven't made patience. I'm trying to be patient, not create patience. Yeah, I'm trying real hard. Yeah, I'm trying real hard. Anyway, like I said, I need to get this in the can and get me into the shower and into bed. Because quite honestly, I may be energized, but my body is exhausted. But I've had a very good day. So I hope you have had a good one too. Uh, if you can, figure it out. Get your retirement started and get over here. Enjoy retirement. We're not guaranteed tomorrow. So live today. Uh, anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, and lots of family. And again, more food. And I had some over there too. Uh, I stuck with my knowns, the pork on a stick, chicken on a stick, noticeable parts, chicken on a stick, not strange things like beaks and uh, huh, water just gurgled. Wonder what caused that. Pressure change, or did we just have a minor tremor? I don't know. Anyway, more food. uh, I'm Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. You do you. I got a couple of little clips I'll try to get up over the next few days. I'm yeah, got to visit the fort over there at Plaza Independencia. So yeah, I'll try to get those up over the next week. Maybe we'll see how long it takes me. Uh, anyway, like, comment, subscribe. You do you. Your department. Uh, I'm gonna call it a day. Later blessings. Bye bye. Williams Philippines. Fish is out. And happy Sinalog. Later blessings and bye bye. There it is.